Is your liftgate not staying up? It might be time to change out your tired, worn-down lift supports. A flathead screwdriver, a pair of StrongArm Lift Supports, and a trusty friend is all you'll need. Installing lift supports is as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Hold open the liftgate. 2. Remove the old lift supports. 3. Replace with the new lift supports. Locate the lift support and find the metal band on the bottom connector. Using the screwdriver, pry back the metal band. Repeat this step for the top connector and remove that old crummy lift support. Out with the old and in with the new. Take the new lift support and simply push the connector over the ball stud on the lower end. Rotate the other to align the connector with the top ball stud and lock it into place with those strong arms. Close and reopen the liftgate to cycle the lift supports and test the connections. Remember to always replace in pairs. Just repeat the same steps for the other lift support and you're good to go. With the power of our newly founded friendship and StrongArm Lift Supports in place, your liftgate will never let you down. To find more tips and the right StrongArm solution for any vehicle, visit StrongArmLiftSupports.com.